Hey guys, welcome back to a quick video here. We're going to be going over this in Simplify 3D. I've had a couple questions regarding how do you change, the way the item is on the build plate. How do you change it to a different side? And this is kind of what you do. You're going to be going up here to Edit, click on Edit, and then you come down here where it says Place surface on bed. You click that, and then we come over here to the model. Oop. Hang on, sorry about that. Come over here to the model after we click on the place surface on bed, and we're going to come up here. You can see it's highlighting right there. Click on that, and boom, there you go. It's ready to go. Center it there on the build plate, and there you have it. Again, just a quick video showing you how to do this here in Simplify 3D. Alright guys, catch you later, bye.